Hey, what's up? Welcome, buddy. This is my 2022 Tiguan R-Line, and I got a little simple mod I'm doing today. You saw I'm installing some mud flaps for the front and for the back tires. I apologize, it's kind of windy out here. Hopefully this sounds good. I tried to get a quiet spot off the highway. But here's the mud flaps that I got for it. They are not Volkswagen branded. They are not expensive. I basically got them offline. What is that, like Alibaba or whatever it is? They're about $30 delivered. Took about 5 weeks. They don't have any Volkswagen branding on them or anything like that, but they seem to be just like the factory parts that cost a couple $100, and they're very, very simple to install. Basically, hiding down here inside your wheel well is actually some factory bolts, and you actually reuse these, and there's a one up underneath here, and this thing just fits nice. Now this is the front one, my bad. So these just fit real nice right here. And Tuck, and I'll show you me putting them on, what it looks like. Here's kind of a back shot before that they're on. And now it does come with some hardware in it, some little bit of extended screws with like a bigger washer head on them, and I will use those. And I'll just show you me putting them on. They're real simple. Now I'll just do a quick walk around, so this won't be a very long video. So I'm going to install these here and then show you what it looks like before and after. I'll kind of give you like a looking backwards shot here. Show you how simple they are to put on. Now this is a little tip when you're doing the front one. Turn your wheel all the way to one way so you can easily access to it here. Another tip is when you're screwing these in with one hand, push this tight as far as you can this way, because it does have a little play, like a little ovalness to it, and that will keep the debris from getting stuck in here. But I do know that every now and then with these flaps, like every couple months, it's probably best to loosen these screws and take a pressure washer and clean in here so grit doesn't get built up in here and rub on your black trim if you ever were to take these off. Now when you're doing the backs, you don't need to take the back tire off. I think that'd be much more work. This tool makes it nice and easy to get these unscrewed and screwed in, because you're just doing these two screws and a bottom one. Alright, there we go. Real simple, easy to put on mud flaps. I will move it around down to the sun and do a walk around of the car. Sunny day, car's all clean, wheels shine, new mud flaps are on. You know, it's just a little subtle. And I'm mainly doing it to keep the splash from happening up on the car, and I did clean the stuff that had sprayed up on there. It's been a while since I posted some videos. If you're watching this one and you're familiar with the old videos, I'll try to get some more up. I've done some more work on the Tiguan here. As you can tell, it's lowered. If you haven't seen the old videos, I'll touch on that. And I do have the stereo done and a little video made for that. So, well, that's it. Hope you like a little mud flap install video. It's really simple to do. Bye.